Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am really excited to share with you this cute fireboltt dream watch, which is actually working like a smartphone. I will share the details here with you and let's take a tour of this. Fireboltt Dream comes with Android 8.1 and is powered by the quad-core ARM Cortex A7 MP chipset paired with a Mali T820 MP1 GPU. So this is the new fireboltt Dream watch, which is launched in India with Android OS and 4G LTE connectivity. It can support almost all functions offered by a smartphone, including making and receiving calls, streaming OTT content, looking for maps, GPS, anything except shooting videos and taking pictures. So here you can see we have 800 mAh battery, ultra power saving mode. We have quad-core processor, we have TWS connectivity, and we have health monitoring system as well, where we can measure heart rate, SpO2, etc. It comes with 2 GB RAM plus 16 GB ROM. It was launched at a price of 5,999 for its 3 variants, and for leather and metallic variants it was launched at 6,299 and 6,499 respectively. Yeah, so what's in the box? We have the strap, we have watch itself, we have certain giveaways. So now I'm powering on the watch. You can see here we have a tray which you can pull off with the help of your nails, and here you can put your nano SIM. And the first purchase, it might be discharged. I have put it on charger. Once charged, let's see how it works. Okay, now you can see it is charged, and just like smartphone, it is showing Android. We have a square dial design and a rotating crown function button. We have Android 8.1 with Google Play Store and also voice assistant. Here you can see your Play Store from where you can download all the apps. We also have fireboltt Health Suite, heart rate tracker, SpO2 sensor, calorie monitor, fitness apps from the Play Store. We can also download that on our watch. We can install and play popular games like Candy Crush, Temple Run, Subway Surfers, etc. on this. And we can run OTT apps like Prime Video, Netflix, etc., which I'll show you here how it looks like. So just to show how we can type, how it looks like. Now this is the video played on Prime Video. Maybe due to video recording, due to phone it is looking like this, but actually in the watch it's much clearer. This looks pretty good. It has IP67 rating for water and dust resistance, so that's pretty good. Netflix. Yes, I'll show you how it looks like in Netflix. So it's pretty cute, I must say. This small watch screen, it's like different experience. But yes, again, it depends on the user who wants to see like this. You can just connect your buds or headphones with this through Bluetooth, and then the battery backup will be better. Otherwise, it doesn't last more than 3 to 4 hours or so. So here is WhatsApp. You can just add numbers, or you can just import from your SIM, whatever you want to have it. It just works exactly like your phone. Touch sensitivity is not so great, but yeah, it's okay and feasible at this price. Dimensions are 49.5 into 13.5 mm. It weighs around 50 grams. So yeah, so it has too much to do in such a tiny piece, and I hope you enjoyed the review. Thanks for watching. See ya.